And welcome back. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you the cream caramel, or even flan, if that's how you call it. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I need to prepare the base, that is the caramel, so I'll put a pan on fire and come in with some sugar. Then some vanilla essence to taste. I mean, this will add some extra flavor to it. It is not compulsory. You can obviously do without. I'll add about 3 teaspoonfuls of water. Now I'll put this on low flame and continue mixing. After about 3 minutes, as you can see, our caramel is ready. I'll just put off the flame. Now I'll pour the caramel into the pan. This is the baking pan. I'll just pour it at the base, give it a little swirl, and leave it for later. First, I'll get a pan and come in with about 400 ml of full cream milk. Warm the milk up on low flame. I don't need it to boil, I just need it warm. Enough gold and breaking 6 eggs. I'll add some vanilla essence, a pinch of salt to taste, some condensed milk. I'll come in with my hand mixer and whip everything up. My milk is warm enough, so I'll just pour it into the mixture and give it a final mix. I'll also come in with some concentrated milk. This is gonna add some extra good taste and flavor to it. Here I'm using just about 50 ml. Now I want the end product as smooth as possible, so I'll get my strainer and strain the mixture. So now I'll pour the mixture into the baking pan. So I'll just put it into the water, cover it up with an aluminum foil, and it is ready to go into the oven. I'll put this in a preheated oven of about 170 degrees Celsius. I'll be baking this for about 25 to 30 minutes. It's been after 25 to 30 minutes, and here we are. Our cream caramel is ready. I'll just leave it alone for it to cool down a little bit. After it cools down, I'll put it into the fridge overnight. So it's the next morning, and I'll get it out of the baking pan. And yes, here we are. I'll go ahead and cut a piece. I must tell you guys, this is so delicious, and you definitely need to give this a try. I mean, it's so easy. It needs just, basic ingredients, and you can do this in less than an hour. I hope I did help you, and I hope you're gonna give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye.